Hi everyone, my name is Lalita Devi and we are a batch of 4 members done our internship on embedded systems and also done internship project on microwave oven. So first of all, let us see the topics we have learned during the internship. First one is Introduction to C, conditional loops and operators, arrays and pointers, functions and strings, about the storage classes and Introduction to embedded systems and microcontrollers. And also about the microwave oven project, MPLAB IDE, XCB and about picsim and introduction to various peripherals of PIC16 F877A and interfacing various peripherals of PIC16 F877A and also about Disha workshop. Coming to the contents we have included in this PPT are about the basics of embedded systems and what is microwave oven and what are the requirements for the microwave oven project and about microcontroller and microprocessor and brief introduction about the picsim CLCD, matrix keypad, ISR, timer and about the project implementation demo. So first of all, let us see about the definition of embedded system. An embedded system is a system composed of hardware, application of software, and real-time operating system. It's a microcontroller-based control system used to perform a specific task of operation. Embedded systems have specific requirements to function effectively. Some of the key requirements include reliability, real-time operation, low power consumption, cost efficiency, size and space constraints, hardware constraints, security, ease of maintenance and upgrades, compatibility, environmental considerations, regulatory compliance, user interface, etc. And VLS in embedded systems, we have some of the challenges faced in embedded systems are hardware requirements and security, power management, software complexity, and in integration challenges, etc. So let us move to the project microwave oven. So first of all, let us know about what is a microwave oven. So microwave oven is used to heat food using electromagnetic waves. So essentially, every microwave needs a component called magnetron. So this magnetron is an oscillating device that creates electrons which are heated up and sent into the microwave cavity. So where the heat up ingredients. So there are various modes in microwave, but in our project we included only 4 main modes. Those are micro mode, grill mode, convection mode, and start mode. So first of all, let us see about the micro mode. So this mode is used to cook food in traditional manner. So the maximum power of it is 900 watts. And the next one is grill mode. This mode is used to cook meat and bread. User can time set the time accordingly. And the next one is convection mode. In this mode, user can set the oven to preheat for a particular temperature and it takes up to 3 minutes to preheat the oven. User can set the time accordingly.
The re- My name is Mary Jyotsna and I'm here to tell you about the requirements of this project. Basic knowledge on embedded C, MPLAB IDE, XC8 compiler, picsim CLCD, matrix keyboard, and ISR. This is the architecture of picsim which consists of RS232, which is bidirectional, LEDs, buzzer, digital keypad, SSDs, matrix keypad, GPIO, LM35 temperature sensor. Coming to the differences between the microcontroller and microprocessor consists of a central processing unit only, whereas microcontroller contains a CPU, memory, input-output, and all integrated into one chip. Microprocessor based on von Neumann model, microcontrollers are based on Harvard architecture. Microprocessor uses an external bus to interface to RAM, ROM, and other peripherals. On the other hand, microcontroller uses an internal controlling bus. Microprocessor is complicated and expensive, with a large number of instructions to process, but microcontroller is inexpensive and straightforward with fewer instructions to process. Coming to CLCD. CLCD stands for Character Liquid Crystal Display. It displays the ASCII character and some special characters. It is most commonly used display. It consists of two types of communication modes. It is 4-bit mode and an 8-bit mode. In picsim there are two types of displays. One is 16 into 2 display and other is 16 into 4 display. Coming to MKP, MKP stands for matrix keyboard. This is used when more number of user inputs are required and still want to save some controller input or output lines. This is a keypad in which number of tactile switches are connected in row and column concept. These keypads are mostly commonly used in telephones, calculators, digital lockers, etc. Coming to interrupt. Interrupt is a communication process set up in a microprocessor or a microcontroller, in which an internal or external device requests the MPU or MCU to stop the processing. Then the MPU or MCU acknowledges the request and attends to the request, goes back the processing where it was got interrupted. Coming to polling. Polling is a process where the computer or controlling device waits for an external device to check the readiness of state, often with low level hardware. ISR. ISR stands for Interrupt Service Routine. ISR attends to the request of an interrupting source by clearing the interrupt flag and should save register contents that may be affected by the code in the ISR. It must be terminated with the instruction RETIE. When an interrupt occurs, the MPU completes the instruction being executed, then it disables Global Interrupt Enable, places the address from the program counter on the stack. An ISR is a software routine that hardware invokes in response to an interrupt. Coming to a timer. Timer has many applications such as measuring time and generating delays, etc. Timer or counter is a software designed to count the time intervals between the events. TIC is referred as a change from one number to the another number. It may be up count or down count. Timer is an important application in any embedded system, which is a default peripheral which maintains the timing of an operation in sync with the system's clock or an external clock. These are the project outputs of our project. Let's get into the project demo.
My name is Tarakeshwari. I am here to explain the actual code to control the microwave oven. This is the code to control microwave oven, and there are different components include like a CLCD, interrupt service routine, matrix keypad, and timers. These components can be used in different modes at different times. So instead of writing the same code different times, code will be written for different component in subfolders, and this can be called in the main program whenever required. These are the header files to are used to access the inbuilt functions. This is the source code for different components that are used, and this is the main code where the individual components are called. Initially, all initially the fan and the buzzer should be in off state. So these are the functions so of the fan and buzzer. First, the screen should be in menu should show menu screen. If the menu screen is shown, then if a key 1 is pressed, then it shows the micro mode. Then if a reset button is clicked, it clears the screen. Otherwise, it shows the power is 900 watts. If key 2 is pressed, then it goes to the grill mode. Then if key 3 is pressed, it goes to the convention mode. If key 4 is pressed, it goes to the start mode, where we here use the inbuilt timer of 60 seconds to heat the ingredients. Next, if the timer display in the start mode, we have a increment of timer up to 30 seconds. If we need to increase the timer, then the key 5 is used to pause the timer, and key 6 is used to resume the timer, and key 7 is used to stop the timer. If the key in a pause state, then it can be resumed by pressing the key 7. In the main screen, if it shows the main screen, we can enter into 4 modes. These can be individually controlled. And these are the keys to control the reset and enter keys. These are the commands to on and off the fan and buzzers. This is the commands to control the time display, where the time is shown in the minutes and seconds. This can be individually controlled. These are the commands to control the CLCD, where the number of lines shows it can be used as a 16 by 4 or 16 by 2, where for each line it has 16 characters and 2 lines or 4 lines. These are the commands to on and off the buzzer. In order to show the different modes in the CLCD, these are the commands where micro is shown in the line 1 and grill is shown in the line 2 and convention is shown in the line 3 and start is shown in line 4. And the star and hash keys are used to show the clear and enter keys. And in the convention mode, the inbuilt temperature of it as 180 degrees. If like temperature is less than 180 degrees and then if we press hash key, then it goes into the next operation, timer mode. Otherwise, if the temperature is greater than 180 degrees, then it shows a command like uh, error. Then it shows a enter temperature less than or equals to 180 degrees. These are the commands to control the blink operation of the timer. That's it for the code.
Hello everyone, my name is Rakesh. I'm here to explain our project demo. So my friends are gone through the code and the requirements of the project. So I'm going through the project demo. So this is the picsim lab. We are using PicGenius PIC16F877A board. So first we have to load our X file. This is our microwave oven X file. So I'm opening it. Now power on the device. This is the switch which is used to turn on the device. I'm just pressing it. Then it will start powering on the device. The device is going to power on. After the power on, it gives you the main menu. This is the main menu display. There are 4 modes in the microwave oven. The first mode is micro mode. Second one is grill mode. Third one is convection mode. Fourth one is short mode. Let's go through the first mode, micro mode. After clicking it, it shows the power of 900 watt. It is a default power used by the micro mode. Now it is a set time display. Use it to time set the timer. Now I want to enter time 22 seconds. For our explanation, just to take a small time. Now as is used to enter the time. Now I am clicking enter. Okay, the timer is starting. After the completion of the time, the fan is turned off and the buzzer is turned on. It gives the indication that the work is over, the heating of the food is over. Let's wait and see. 3, 2, 1. Now the buzzer is turned on. After a few seconds, the buzzer is turned off and the fan also turned off. So let's see this. The fan is turned off and the buzzer also turned off. Next, just go through the second mode, grill mode. Just press the key on the keyboard. Second one. Again, it asks about the time. For which time we have to use the microwave in grill mode. I am also entering a small time. Again, enter. Okay, after the completion of this time, it's again gives the buzzer. That is indication for the completion of the work. Okay, let's see. Okay, it again shows the times up. There is the indication about the completion of the work, and the buzzer is turned on. After the completion, the fan and the buzzer also turned off. So next, go through the let's first go through the fourth mode, that is start. This is a start mode is simply about heating for some time. Okay, let's enter the key 4. It's a default time. It uses the default time of 60 seconds. We have entered the 60 seconds. How much time we can increase by using by pressing the fourth key? We can increase the time by 30 seconds. So I'm just pressing the fourth key. See, the time is increasing by 30 seconds. After the completion of this time, again it shows the times up screen, and it gives the buzzer. Okay, let's go through this pause option. By pressing the key 5, the timer and fan also paused. See, this timer is stopped and fan also stopped. Next, we want to resume. If you want to resume, then simply press the key number 6. See, the timer is again start and the fan also started. If you want to stop this operation and go to the main menu, just press the key 7. I'm just pressing the key 7. See, the 7. It gives back takes us back to the main menu. Now go through the third mode, convection mode. Just enter convection mode. This is the set temperature. In this mode, we can set our own temperature, which temperature we want to heat the food. Just simply I'm entered 1, 2, 3 degrees Celsius. Just enter it. Okay. It preheats for the time of 176 seconds. That is 3 minutes. Let's wait and watch. Okay. To go to the operation, just we have to decrease the preheating time. Just let me give me a second to change the code. This is the preheating time 180 seconds. I'm just entering 18 seconds. Okay. Then build it. Okay. Build is successful. And .hx file is loaded. I have to load it again. .exe file. Okay. Let's go through third option. Enter our temperature. Just triple time giving. So we have set the limit of the temperature up to 180 degrees. If I enter the greater than 180 degrees, what will happen? Let us see. This is the temperature error. Enter temperature less than 180 or equal to 180. So it shows in the enter. So just I want to then the system starts again. Okay, let's go through the third option. The menu comes. Okay, let's enter temperature simply. Everyone, just enter. Okay, it's taking 18 seconds to preheat. Let's see what will show after this time preheating time. 2, 1. Okay, it's again asking us to set the timer to heat the food. Okay, simply entering 11 seconds again. Okay, 10 seconds, enter. Okay, the timer starts again. If you want to increase the time, again you press the 4. Okay, the time's up and the buzzer gets on, turn on. Okay, this is our project. These are the different modes we have used in this microwave oven project. Thank you for everyone for watching this video.